There you go, corrosion. Yo, welcome back. We're back on the MX5 again today. We need to sort the spark plug situation out because I think they're going to be pretty messy under there. What else are we going to do? See if we can get some fuel out of it. Maybe turn it over a few times. Charge a battery. That's already on charge. I don't know. We're just going to go and have a play. But first of all, spark plugs. I've got four new ones. £2 each. That is a bargain. How can they make a spark plug for £2? Mental. Anyway, onwards. Right, so all the leads are off. Typically one of them, which one? That one, the end snapped off. So I need a new one of them. Actually, I think it was a few of them. Yeah. So need new HT leads. Got one plug out, which is there, and the end is very rusty, so I'm pretty sure there is some water in there, but we'll find out. So that should be setting in by now, isn't it, the old penetrant. Oh, I hate doing these. Easy. And when I replace these, I can use my new Lidl or Audi, wherever it is, torque wrench. Put them back in. 23 NMs. Does it do that low?
I really do think that a torque wrench is only useful at the lower end of the scale.
Yeah, definitely.
You get like they're normally like 60 to 200 or whatever. It's just, everything's always a lot less.
Yeah.
And then, well, the important stuff.
Yeah, when it's needed, it's normally like low torque.
Yeah. Rocker covers and whatever squeezes up on a gasket is always like 8 Newton meters or something.
Yeah. Oh, it's even worse. Oh no, that's. Hang on. I can't, for some reason, you have to take that off to get it. Yeah, there you go. Corrosion. Right, there you go. Spark plugs are out.
Tell you what you could do. Disconnect your fuel relay.
Yeah.
And turn it over. Leave the spark plugs out, and it will eject any water that's in there.
Yeah.
It will go bup, 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 and it will go everywhere.
How'd it go? Bup, 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 bup. So where's the fuel relay then? Where's the fuse box? There it is. Fuel injection, 30 amp.
Be the one. Take that out.
Which one are we on? 30. I assume that all the spade and everything, all the connections will all pull out with it. No, we're fine.
Good. So,
that's it. Right.
What you can do is get some.
Record this, so I'll be looking for it. That is in there. Because I'll be looking for that later.
Leave that cover open so you remember.
Yeah.
Bit of fog and oil in there, and then try and turn it over by hand.
Fog and oil for me.
If it doesn't.
Let me fog it actually.
If it turns over horribly by hand, then don't bother going starting, just scrap it.
We'll just bin the lot.
Just go buy an LS3.
Oh, red.
She turned?
Of course, there's no compression, is there?
No.
It just flies along.
That seems very, very. You can just see the belt turning there. Seems like it's turning really free. Yeah. Hang on. Chuck us the old penetrant.
Yeah, she's going to start up, Reg.
While you're doing that, I'll squirt a little piece in each. You good?
Yep.
That's spot on, actually.
So what you're saying is this is an absolute peach.
It might be a peach, it might be a winner.
Should we go and turn her over?
It might start, no it won't start because you've turned the fuel wheel off.
And there's no spark plugs.
Because there's spark plugs, so it's definitely not the start.
Compression of 0.
Right.
We're going.
Because they're going to all spark.
Oh yeah. No, that's.
They don't want to touch anything.
Yeah, I can pull the fuse out, can't I?
There you go. Yeah, that's fine. Because they're insulated. It's only that one that you have to worry about.
Right. Okay. Fair enough.
Just don't touch it.
1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to turn her over with some amps then, shall we? Oh, I didn't get the key. Can we go and get the key?
Yeah, and then just try try and turn it over.
Right, I think we should go and get an endoscope then.
Yeah.
And have a ganders inside. Do you reckon?
Yeah. Right, so I've bought this little thing, endoscope camera. Just move that out of the way. There you go. See that? It's a little camera. It's got some LED lights on the end. Little controller there. I didn't actually buy this. It's actually my brother's. He lent it to me. A little adapter there for micro USB into like normal USB. And here's my phone, which is USB-C. And then I've had this little thing hanging around for ages. It's good for like SD card transfers and stuff to your phone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this thing into here, and then USB-C into the bottom of my phone. There you go, that's just come on. So let's unlock my phone. Endoscope camera, okay. Right, I had to download this app. It was like the first one on the Play Store. Oh, there you go. Oh, that was easy. Straight away, we're in there. What can we see? Not a lot. Oh, there you go. Hang on, let's try and... There you go, that's pretty cool. Nice. So I'm going to go and chuck this down into the cylinder bore and see what I can see. Right, so here you go, into the cylinder. There's the piston. See the little divots for the valves. Oh, it's quite hard to move this round, but you can see there's a bit of oh, sorry, turn the light off. Bit of like carbon deposits and stuff there. Just wanted to have a look really, to see what it's like, but I don't know if I can maybe turn it. Oh. Let me try and turn the camera so you can see. It's really, one little movement makes it go 500 miles an hour. But anyway, you can see there's sort of bits of carbon and stuff in there. So 125,000 miles this one's done. There you go. See the other side a little bit. That's the little divots where the valves recess into as the piston comes up. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. I mean, considering it's a bit dirty, but that's what you expect. A lot of grime in there anyway, because we've been spraying that fogging oil and stuff in there, make sure everything's nice and lubed before we got it going. So yeah, anyway, let's keep going. Right, so that's the bit that's like pulled off. What I've been doing is like, I've just done that one again. I'm going to buy some new ones, but I just thought I'd have a go, seeing if I can do it. But get some long nose pliers, open it up a little bit that way, maybe get this little fella in here, open her up a bit. And then, so on here there's like an indent, so that was obviously there, and then this like slit here was where the folds of the lug was, so that's going to like sit there. So let's just get rid of that little bit of excess. So if I can line it up as it was, like that, even in shot, kind of. So line it up like that, then just got some mole grips, and just gently sort of caress it into position, just one side at a time, so it sort of squeezes into the centre of the lead again. Again, this isn't a how-to, I'm literally making this up. But rather than go and buy some leads straight away, why don't we just try and repair them quick? There we go. Oh, that ain't come off. Right, so that's the other one I've just done off camera. Same technique. But if you look at this side, I've just sort of slid this back. And that's all it is. They just sort of fold the core inside over into there, and then they just crimp down into the middle. So I can't see why it won't work. So pop that into there. Same with that one. It's all a bit manky and old. Like I say, I'm going to go and get, it's only like 20 quid for a new set, but I was just curious of how easy they are to change. Or not to change, sorry, to repair. Right, that's lined up. Now we'll get this bit, slide that down. There we go. Same with this one. This bit here, so I think that just goes in there. There you go, and that just sort of pulls in. Same with this one. Slide that in. There we go. Bosch. Done. Actually, they're not Bosch. I think they're Champion. Yeah, Champion. Anyway, right, let's go and try that. So, long one goes in there. Click him in. This one in. And then I'll have to refer to my photos of what the old firing order was, but I'm pretty sure, off the top of my head, this one went to here. I think. So I'll double check in a sec. And then right, second one, that one goes in there, clicking into place, and then that goes onto that one there. Push that in, job done. Cool. Right, we should have compression again now. Leads are sort of repaired until we get the new ones. So I'm going to jack up the back of the car now and find the bung for the fuel tank, and I'm going to drop that out because it's full of water, and then put the bung back in, put some new unleaded in there.